Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro. So to charge earbuds, you will have to just input them inside the charging case and then close the cover. That's like really obvious. But if you want to recharge the charging case, you can do this by using the USB-C cable and plug it here. And as you can see, this is actually the long cable. This is actually not original cable that actually comes with the box. So it actually means that you don't have to use the original OPPO cable from these earbuds. I'm using cable from my phone and I just connect this cable into my monitor. But also you can do this to connect it with your laptop, with your desktop, your game console, but also we can connect with the charging brick. So I'm also using charging brick from my old Huawei phone, and it also works with these earbuds. And if you wonder about the wireless charger, unfortunately they doesn't actually support this method. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.